Hello everyone, I am Tanu Chaudhary from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my post-graduation in Geography from CCS University, Meerut. I always wanted to pursue a career in Geo Informatics field, and the tie-up between CCS University and NIGMT Foundation gave me a perfect opportunity. Through this course, I got exposure to many technologies like GIS, remote sensing, photogrammetry, LiDAR, Python, GPS, drone, which are in high demand. This training has definitely strengthened my career path in geospatial domain. Through the immense support of NIGMT Foundation, I have successfully secured a placement as a Junior Cartographer at Site Recon Company. It was a valuable experience and I would definitely recommend it to anyone which are interested in building a career in geoinformatics. Thank you.